What will history remember? There's like 1,000,001 stories.
You know, Francine, I think we need to decide on the acronym everyone's going to remember 22 by. I think Mark has some good ideas. Maybe we'll go to those next. But without a doubt, this is the biggest central bank tightening we have ever seen. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say we're never going to see something like this again in our lifetimes. Nearly every central bank hiked over 250 basis points this year. And I want to give you some fun comments that we heard a year ago. The ECB, Lagarde, said it was entirely premature to price in hikes in 2022. They went on to hike 250 basis points. And in the last meeting, she says, we're up for a series of 50 to come in 2023. The RBA a year ago said we're years away from tightening. They also hiked 300 basis points and have a few more in the cards for next year. But what a wild ride it has been. And I'm keen to know, Mark, what is your acronym for 2022?
Well, Valerie, you didn't give me enough prep on this, but my panic decision was II22, which could be interpreted as, you know, the II could be a 2 as well, so maybe 222. And that was inflation indigestion 2022. But look, I'll try to come up with something better than that because no one's going to give me any awards for branding. Look, yeah, what were your most memorable moments from the full year, Valerie?
Oh, man, honestly, my most memorable moment, Mark, I was in the gym. It was October. I thought my workout was going to make me breathless, but no, watching dollar-yen fall 6 handles as the Bank of Japan unleashed the biggest FX intervention we've ever seen. And it turns out they wasted $40 billion that one day defending the yen slide. And all of us there were sitting thinking, why don't they just hike rates like the rest of the world? The other one that I think is highly notable is that week in June where we got a bomb from almost every central bank. That was when the Fed had to leak the story to the Wall Street Journal that they were going to go 75 instead of 50. The Swiss National Bank surprised us and went 50. And then we had the Bank of England come out, Bailey saying we're going to act forcefully, and gilts fell out of bed. We also had the ECB pull the TPI tool out of the bag to save the Italian bond market. That is a week that I have never seen in markets. Boy, it was fun, but it left me very exhausted. This whole year, I think, has left all of us quite exhausted.